Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to publish your game in Roblox Studio. First, open your project in Roblox Studio. Navigate to the File menu located in the top left corner of your screen. From there, you'll find the Publish to Roblox option. This is the essential first step to sharing your creation with the world, making it accessible to other players on the platform. Next, if it's a new game, choose Publish to Roblox as. You'll need to give your game a unique name and a compelling description to attract players. Also, select the appropriate genre and configure device access, ensuring your game can be played on phones, tablets, and computers. These details are crucial for discoverability and player engagement. Now, decide on your game's access settings. You can make it public for everyone to play or keep it private for testing with friends. If you plan to monetize, this is where you can enable features like game passes or developer products. Always take a moment to review all your chosen settings to ensure everything is exactly as you intend before proceeding. Finally, click the Publish button to upload your game to the Roblox platform. You'll see a confirmation message once the process is complete, indicating your game is live. It's highly recommended to then test your published game directly on Roblox to ensure all features work correctly and the player experience is smooth. Congratulations, your game is now public.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.